Well, I picked up the knives from the lady. 11 knives. 2 pair of scissors. Mostly international Henckels. 1 Calphaloon. This is an international Henckels, but it's old, made in Brazil, wooden handle. This one says non-stainless steel, high carbon, made in Japan. Boner, it says. I've never seen one of these before. I mean, I've seen a lot of boners, but that's a Sabitier I was talking about. This is a Wusthofs. She asked 1 Wusthofs. About an 8-inch chef's knife. 2 pair of scissors. You can see it's a beautiful day. Can't believe it. I got to get these done, so if I get ready. Well, if I finish them up, that's the 5 oddball ones. The Sabitier, the Wusthofs, the Calphaloon, the Boner from China, no, from Japan, and the Henckels International with the wooden handle. And then the other 6 were international Henckels. Like a whole family of them, you know. And 2 pair of scissors. I'm getting ready to clean them up, put them in a box, and take them back to Virginia Beach to the lady. See you later. That's probably not how I wanted to spend Saturday afternoon, but I can't complain. Broke as I am, after Christmas, I got a little extra ammo now to feed the carnivores. Fat Man Do. What are you doing over there, Fat Man Do? Huh? You okay? You're a turkey. Yes, you are. Well, I'm over at the town center dropping these knives off. Look at that, cash. I like cash. A $50 bill, a 10, a 5, and 2 ones. She had an $87 bill. But if they gotta bring me 8 or more knives, I call it a block discount. I give everybody a little break. So I gave her $20 since she was paying with cash. I like cash. Okay, stand by. We're going home. See the critters. Well, my magic sauce came in today. 8 micron, 4 micron, 2 micron. That's like 2,000, 4,000, and 8,000 diamonds. I like them.